everybody, it's on Henry's How-Tos. I'm going to show you how to make Scotch Fillet steak with Chermoula. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to cook a Scotch Fillet steak here. So Scotch Fillet is also referred to as a ribeye, but without the bone. Now whenever I'm cooking my steaks, the first rule is season both sides. So we'll do a pinch of salt on each side, as well as a pinch of cracked pepper. Both sides. The other rule is let it come down to room temperature before you cook it. Don't put it straight out of the fridge onto the grill. So just here I've got 1 cup of parsley and 1 cup of coriander. So I've already washed that up. Here we've just got 1 long green chilli. Now these are on the mild side, so I've left the seeds in. If they're hot, take the seeds out. Or you can leave them in, that's up to you. And we've got 5 garlic cloves here, half a cup of olive oil, and a third of a cup of lemon juice. So just into a food processor we'll add our chili. So I'm just going to coarsely chop everything up. The garlic we can add whole, that's fine. And the parsley coriander I've just roughly chopped up, just to take the pressure off our blades. Now to this we'll add in our lemon juice. And we're going to add in a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Next we'll add in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. And finally we'll add in our olive oil. All we need to do is blitz this up. Alright, and there we have it. It's smelling absolutely fragrant. Just look at that beautiful colour. So now that we've done that, let's move on to our grill. So guys, in my case, I just want to go for about a medium rare to medium. So I've set our grill to a medium to high temperature. We're going to place our steak straight on top. You want to hear that beautiful sizzle straight away. So this one here is a 300 gram portion. So cooking time should only take roughly around 5 to 6 minutes. So we're going to leave it for about 3 minutes on each side. So guys, after 1.5 minutes we'll pick up our steak and turn it the other way like that. This will give us the crisscross effect. So guys, after another 1.5 minutes, we'll flip our steak over completely. And just look at that beautiful grill pattern. So what I'm going to do now that we flipped it over is add 1 tablespoon of our Chermoula straight on top. And just rub it on like that. This will sort of act as a base, so we can get some of that flavour in our steak. So after 1.5 minutes, we'll change direction again. Alright, so that's another 1.5 minutes. Just look at that, beautiful. So guys, we'll take it off, place it to the side. Alright. That's looking beautiful. So all we're going to do is slice this now guys. Another rule, don't slice it until you're ready to serve. How beautiful is that look? Alright guys, so I've just put some of our Chermoula sauce on our plate as well. Alright guys, so I've just put some of our Chermoula sauce on our plate as well. I'll add some roast potatoes next to it. Nothing special with this, just simple olive oil, salt, pepper. And we'll add some grilled tomatoes as well. That always goes good with Chermoula. Now that's a stunning looking dish, I'll tell you that. Okay guys, and that was my take on steak with Chermoula, and you saw it looks absolutely amazing. I kept it very simple but very filling. We've got the potatoes, the grilled tomatoes, the Chermoula, and of course our beautifully cooked medium rare steak. Now variation wise guys, you can actually have this on its own, it's actually very perfect. But there's so many different things you can do. You can fill it up with some chips on the side, put some salad on the side, put a mixture of veggies on the side, so add some carrots and broccoli to potatoes. Absolutely beautiful. Just melts in your mouth. As always guys, please make sure to like, share, subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I have new videos up every week. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. I'll see you all next time.